Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover Telegram account without email or phone number. So on this video, we are going to use three applications, that Virtual SIM, WinScribe and of course Telegram. That means you need to download these three applications first before you'll start this process. So let's start with WinScribe. Open WinScribe. WinScribe is actually a VPN. So of course you will need to log in or create an account. So in here I'm just going to choose my username, my password, and email is actually optional. And once you are done, you just click next. Make sure to read this first, and then once done, click or tap I'm okay with this. On this pop-up we'll press allow, and we are going to choose which location we are going to use on this VPN. So here I use Chicago because on this app Chicago is for free. You'll know that the VPN is turned on once the power button is here on the right part is color green. Now that it's open, let's go and change virtual SIM. So what I'll be doing is here I'm just going to sign in with Google. Now it will ask if you would like this virtual SIM to access your contacts. You can just press OK or don't allow. It's of course your choice, and it will ask you to pay a subscription, but since we are going to just use it one time, you can press no thanks. After that it will ask you to build your profile, so you can just put your first name in here, then we'll click next, and I will tap OK in here, tap OK again. All right, so we are all set it up with virtual SIM. Now what you need to do in here is to find your phone number, and you will be able to find that on my phone numbers, as you can see in here. That's the phone number that we are going to use for our registration. Now let's open Telegram. Tap start messaging, and here it will ask for your phone number, so we need to choose the country first. We are going to choose US since that's our phone number or virtual SIM, and then make sure to copy the exact number from virtual SIM to your Telegram. Once you are done putting the numbers, press continue. Then Telegram will be sending you a code on virtual SIM application. Now if it's not working, then of course you can choose Telegram to call you with the code so that they can dictate it to you. Once they have already called and dictate the code, just put it in here, and that's how to recover Telegram account without phone number. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.